bio like other book authors. You're getting a marshmallow. Yes.
Wow. I think if like people knew who we are like very publicly, I think our life will change a lot and we lose a lot of privacy. For example, like I would like the ability to argue with my girlfriend in public. Imagine like if everyone knows who you are, right? Then you argue with your girlfriend in public, right? Then people are like, hey, the book Salaryman argue with girlfriend in public. Then like, how is he qualified to even write about personal finance, right? He should stop writing personal. I'm not going to listen to him. So yeah, I think that is my perspective. I think a lot of it is like a privacy reason. But a big part of it is because, I mean, when we created the brand, we wanted it to be as relatable as possible. So we wanted like, I mean, if you look at the figures, right, they're usually like bald naked people without clothes. And I think we want to make it as relatable as possible. So even if you don't look like us, don't sound like us, don't dress like us, like you can still relate to the content. And I think that's very important.
I think the idea of fame also is something that we think a lot about. I'm not saying that we are famous, but we are a little bit recognizable sometimes. And I think it's very important also that we don't get ahead of ourselves, right? And think that our personal figure and persona is the brand. Like people like to call us the woke salaryman, right? And I think it's a bit annoying when we do this, but I try to do it every time. I would say, we are not the woke salaryman. The woke salaryman is an ideal that we aspire to. We also, from time to time, make stupid decisions. We buy things that we want that we shouldn't buy. We just try to, we are still human, right? We just try to tahan a bit more, right? So, I think it's very important that we have this thing in front because it is always about the work. It is so nice that people come out to see us. I'm nervous, but I'm also very honored that you all choose to spend Sunday morning with us. I'm blown away. But the reason you all are here is because we provide value to you all via the work that we do. This is not like the fame and who we are is not what it is. It is the work that we do. So it is also a way, I think, to remind ourselves that we are behind this thing. This thing and the work that we do, the stories that we tell have to be good. Otherwise, this won't carry on. And we appreciate this, so we'll continue to work behind this thing of the whole Salaryman.
Terima kasih.